and beautiful and spacious living area. And kitchen area is also pretty huge, to a very huge and spacious master bedroom, I must say. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Bel Air by Aravind Smart Spaces, located at Yelahanka, Bengaluru. So before knowing a lot in detail about this project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first largest real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. But unlike other listing companies whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers, thereby you can book your free home directly with the developers through Housey. Today, we are here at Bel Air by Aravind Smart Spaces, which is spread across 3.3 acres, 4 towers, each consisting of 2 bays, ground and 15 floors each. And also it is available in 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities, International Airport is just 15 kilometers away, Mall of Asia is just 7 kilometers away, and L&T Tech Park is just 6 kilometers away from this project. Talking about amenities, they are offering you 35 plus amenities, which includes kids play area, cricket pitch area, multi-purpose courts, kids play area along with a yoga deck. If you have any positive or negative points related to this project, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, because it's really important and your feedback is valuable in understanding the strength and weakness of this project. If you would like to know more projects that is there in Yelahanka, then you can simply click on I button, which will lead you to all Yelahanka related project videos. Right now we are standing outside 3 BHK sample flat by Aravind Smart Spaces, that is Bel Air, which is of 1626 square feet. So come, let us have a look at the sample flat. As soon as we enter, we can see a huge and spacious foyer area. And continue to the foyer area, I have a very huge and beautiful and spacious living area. You can already see it's pretty spacious to accommodate a really large couch, and opposite to the sofa space, I have a TV unit space right here, and right opposite to that, I have a balcony space, which is my favorite space of the house. So here is the balcony space. It is pretty huge, I must say, and it is perfect for your morning coffees and evening chais. So exiting the balcony space, which leads us to the living space, and that continues to the dining area that's right here, which is very spacious and very huge. And also opposite to the dining area, I have my kitchen area, and kitchen area is also pretty huge, and I can see there's a lot of space to walk around. And also attached to the kitchen space, I have the utility space as well, which is quite spacious, and I have the slidable windows there, the half slidable windows, which is giving me a really good view from the kitchen area. So continue with the kitchen area. Let's now have a look at the bedroom number 1. As I told you, it's a 3 BHK sample flat. So here is how we enter the bedroom number 1. As soon as we enter the bedroom number 1, we can already see it's pretty spacious and huge, and you can use the space according to your needs, either as an office space or a lounge space. I can see a pretty much good space here where you can accommodate your sofas, and also opposite to that you can accommodate your workspace tables or anything as per your needs. And also continue to the exit of bedroom number 1. I have a common washroom that's right here. The washroom number 1 that we are looking at right now, it has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. With the exit of the washroom number 1, as soon as I enter the bedroom number 2, we can already witness the wooden flooring right here. And also it's pretty much huge and spacious, I must say, and alongside bed I'm able to easily walk around. And also here we have partially slidable windows as well, which is giving me a good view of the room. And also alongside the bed space, I have the common washroom of the bedroom number 2 that's right there, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. And all the spaces right in this room or right in this house, I can say, is completely spacious and huge. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom. So as we enter the master bedroom, before showing you the master bedroom, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you full pricing inclusive of EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, in Housey, we give you 360-degree project virtual tour. So if after all this, you would like to book your free site visit, then simply by 3 clicks, you can go click the link in the description box below and book your free site today. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. Now let us have a look at the master bedroom. As soon as we enter the master bedroom, we already have a common washroom or an attached washroom to the master bedroom. And also this leads me to a very huge and spacious master bedroom, I must say. It has a pretty much good bed space, and also alongside the bed space on the both sides, I have pretty much space for easily walking. You can already see me that I can freely walk here. And I also have like a really good windows that gives me a really good view right here. And also opposite to the bed space, I also have an wardrobe space here which you can easily accommodate all your closet in. And this leads me also to the master bedroom's attached washroom that I told you, that has high-end sanitary fittings and also anti-skid tiles. So if at all after all this you like this project, then go register yourselves on housey.com in order to ensure that you can book your free site visit today. And also if you want to download your e-brochure, then you can go simply click the link in the description box below and download the e-brochure of this project. Now let us have a look at the attached washroom of master bedroom. And as I told you, the master bedroom has an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary. So this was all about the sample flat tour of Bel Air by Arvind Smart Spaces. It is a 3 BHK sample flat. If at all you like this project and you would like to book your free site visit today, then go register yourselves on housey.com. Also, you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link in the description box below. But before going, do not forget to subscribe for more updates to Housey.
So everyone, this was 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Bel Air located in Yelahanka, Newtown by Arvind Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.